What's up, guys? Welcome to the Factory Financial. My name is JD Nevels, and as the name of the channel suggests, I am factory worker, hence the Factory Financial. And the whole point of this video and me being in front of this camera is to kind of record my journey to financial independence. And no, I'm not going to do the FIRE. It's going to be like a modified FIRE, financial independence, retire early. Because I don't want to retire early. Just when the Rona hit, we were down for 2 months and I was at home. I was just kind of, the little bit of hair on my head that I have was just pulling. I'm like, okay, this is so boring. So I don't want to retire early, but I guess I want to retire early from working as a factory worker, so I can focus on my YouTube. And this is my secondary channel on YouTube, by the way. I already have one with my father. We do the car repair videos. Financial independence is very important to me because I want to do with my time whatever the heck I want to do instead of just waking up at 6 or 5:30 every day and being going like, oh, I don't want to do this no more. So in order to avoid that 7 to 3, I'm gonna primarily focus on 3 things. One is my personal finances. I'm gonna try to find ways to increase how much money I earn every year. And then secondary is gonna be how much money I invest into the stock market, because I will be trying to, or succeeding hopefully, trying to max out my TFSA. So I think so far I have like 65,000 available or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. I have to go through those numbers directly, but it's not going to be this year or next year. I wish, but no. And the second thing is I'm gonna focus on real estate. That's very, very hot in Windsor, Ontario, where I live right now in Canada. So that's very hot these days. And I have 2 properties. I have a condo that I purchased 3 years ago or 2 years ago, I'm not even sure anymore, where I was living, and then opportunity came by and I bought a house. It's a complete, we call it a gut job. It's a complete reno, so I'm gonna be going through that and showing you guys everything that we did with the house, updates on that. So if you like those type of things, please subscribe, and yes, thank you for stopping by, and see you next video. Ciao.